So tonight I am going to a holiday party in DC and I'm doing my makeup for this party. I want to show you how to do a simple smoky eye that's not so scary. So I'm over 40. I like the smoky eye look, but I don't like it to look so crazy. And I don't like when the waterline is filled because I think it makes my eye look really small. It's just not my thing. So this is how I do a smoky eye that's not so scary. Step number one is I'm going to line my eyes with the Mary Kay Black Waterproof Eyeliner. I'm going to take this under my lashes and do a nice thin line, making sure I fill in any skin gaps throughout my lash line. This is going to ensure that I have no skin poking through when I put on the dark colors. I'm also going to go ahead and put a little bit on my bottom lash line and just let that sit there for now. And I'm going to fill back in any spots I may have missed and not worry about it being perfect because we're going to be filling this in. Next, I just smudged it with my liner brush just to make everything fill in any spots I may have missed. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to do a whole washout on the lid. You can do this one of two ways. Second step is you could take your eyeliner and fill in your entire lid, leaving a spot before you get to the eye socket for blending. Or you can take the new Mary Kay Galaxy Grey, is that what it's called? Midnight Galaxy Shimmer Stick, and apply that all over your lid. And you want to leave a little bit of space for, and now the key to this is just blending, making sure those colors are softened in the crease area. You don't want the crease to be as heavy as the lid. And I'm using my blending brush for that. And now I'm going to add a little pop of brightness using another clean smudger brush. I'm going to take the crystalline eyeshadow and candlelight mixed together. So I'm going to take the intensity of the crystalline and mix it a little bit with the candlelight. That's going to go in the inner corner of my eye. I like mixing colors because it just kind of helps soften the intensity sometimes. And also applying it through my brow bone is also going to help soften the intensity of the smoky eye on my lid a little bit. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little bit of that dark brown I was using in my crease, which is called Espresso, mixing the two together, hazelnut and espresso. And I'm going to smudge that on my bottom lash line because this is going to give me a little bit of a softer smudge line versus using a dark black pencil, and gives that a little bit more of a sultry look. And now I'm going to finish the look up with some mascara. I'm redefining my eyeline a little bit with that same liner I started with, just to make sure there is a defined line. And now mascara. I'm not going to wear any false lashes today because sometimes I feel like they can make the smoky eye look a little too heavy. So I am wearing the Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara. I'm doing a coat of that, which is going to give thicker, fuller looking lashes naturally. And then I'm going to top coat this with the new waterproof mascara because I have a long night ahead of me. And I just want to make sure that if I'm walking outside in the wind, sometimes my eyes get teary, that the makeup will not smear. Now a little top coat of the new Mary Kay Great Heights Waterproof Mascara. I really like this mascara. It's not crunchy, it's hydrating, it's waterproof. I love the bristles, they're super tiny. So it's great for like combing through your lashes to get all the lashes really covered and lengthened. And now I'm ready for the rest of my face. And here's the great thing about doing a smoky eye. If you get mascara on your skin, just use it as part of the makeup and smudge it in there. Now let's talk about the rest of my face. I do have bronzer on. I started with the medium glow bronzer to give me a little bit more warmth because I need it. And then I did a little bit of the Pink Star. Okay, and then after the Pink Stars gel cream blush I have on, I lined my lips with the beige nude or pink nude would work really well. Waterproof lip liner. I did my entire lip and filled it in to hold the color. And I wanted to wear a nude color because I'm not quite sure what color I'm wearing tonight. And my eyes were so dark, I wanted to keep it soft. So this is what I did. I did an ombre effect. I first took Rosewood and I applied it in the outer quadrants of my mouth. So that the 4 outer quadrants. And then I took Bashful You just in the center of my lips, blending it to the 4 corners. And now I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of gloss. I'm going to use the Sheer Illusion because it's nice and soft. I'm gonna put a little bit in the center of my lips only, and I am ready to have my face sprayed with the finishing spray, which is what I'm going to use to make sure everything stays put all night without any kind of concern and worry. It holds your makeup for, and I'm ready to go. I'm gonna fix my hair a little bit. I'll get changed at the hotel, but this is a nice, easy, smoky eye that's not too scary, right? It's dark, but it's not scary because I didn't take it up too high.